Humid of the air containing a lot of water. Fan, a machine with spinning blades that creates a cool flow of air. Absorb, to take in a substance such as a liquid, gas, etc. Adjust, to make small changes to something to make it better, more suitable, etc. Accessory, a small object carried or worn to improve the appearance of an outfit or item of clothing. Flow, the action or fact of moving in a steady or conscious way. This portable air conditioner can be worn like a belt. Summer in Japan can be difficult. First of all, it's very hot, with temperatures often going above 30 degrees Celsius. But it's also humid, so much so that it often feels like living in a sauna. Of course, many buildings have air conditioners, but people do need to go outside sometimes. So how do Japanese people stay cool? While some use traditional fans, these days it's common to see people carrying small handheld electric fans to keep themselves cool. One company has even made work jackets with electric fans inside to keep their wearer cool. And now another Japanese company has created an air conditioner that you can just wear around your waist. The Wear Cool, which was created by the company Glotour, is a belt that uses 5 small fans to blow cool air up the front and back of your body at up to 5 meters per second. The inside of the belt is also made of a material that absorbs heat, so it's comfortable to wear. The belt can be adjusted for different waist sizes too. And while Glotour's pictures show models wearing the belt like a fashion accessory, you can actually wear it under your clothes. Wear Cool comes with a powerful battery that lets it be used without stopping for up to 17 hours, the company says. And by using an app, which can be used in English or Japanese, you can adjust both the speed and the direction of the airflow. Wear Cool is now available from Glotour's online store and costs 32,500 yen, or around $230. But will it become as popular as those handheld electric fans?